If you have plans to buy or refinance in the future, there are two things you should do prior to your mortgage application. One, make sure your phone number is on the do not call list. And two, opt out of pre-screen offers. You want to do these two things prior to submitting your loan application, because once you do submit your loan application and your application is processed, your credit is pulled, your mortgage credit inquiry will be sold as a lead by the credit bureaus to other mortgage lenders so they can solicit your business. These are known as trigger leads. And the problem with trigger leads is that you wind up getting inundated with phone calls and text messages and emails and good old snail mail. And I've had clients tell me that they start receiving phone calls within hours of their application being processed. And they were receiving phone calls on a daily basis, dozens of phone calls. I've had some clients tell me 30 and 40 and 50 phone calls in the same day. They even received phone calls after the transaction's closed. A little frustrating to say the least when you're just trying to buy or refinance a property. So if you submit your phone number to the do not call list, once it's on there for 31 days or more, if you receive calls, you can complain to the FTC. And if you opt out of pre-screen offers, that will prevent the credit bureaus from selling your name as a trigger lead should you apply for financing. Now, you can opt out for 5 years. That's as simple as hopping on their website and submitting your info, and you're done. Or you can opt out permanently by downloading a form and filling it out, mailing it in. Now, there have been calls to reform the practice of selling trigger leads by the Mortgage Bankers Association as well as the National Association of Mortgage Brokers. And there were 3 bills introduced to Congress in 2023, 2 with the House of Representatives, 1 with the Senate, targeting the sale of trigger leads. Should these bills pass, the sale of trigger leads would be banned or restricted. So until that happens, the best way to save yourself a lot of aggravation when you do apply for financing is to have your phone number on the do not call list and to opt out of pre-screen offers. You'll find links in the description for donotcall.gov and optoutprescreen.com. And you'll also find links for the 3 bills of Congress if you want to read up on those. Should you have any questions, if you want to connect with me, just click on my link tree.